This is going to be a short video on how to reduce the cost of your interior demo project. Labor is the driver on these jobs. You got to minimize the amount of labor, maximize the efficiency of the labor that you do utilize. You minimize labor through mechanization. You add skid steers, mini excavators, other equipment to the job. These machines can do the work of many men at a much lower cost, so we're substituting machine power for manpower whenever possible. Labor efficiency is the second factor. You got to plan the project before you get there, and you got to have it ready when you show up. You got to focus on reducing bottlenecks like the elevator, work hours, all the things that are going to end up costing labor dollars for the project.